High speed steals reaction time. Running in the hallway. People can't get out of your way. It turns into a big consequence. Or you hit a kid with a bad attitude. You run into him. He slams you into a locker. You get up like, what are you doing? He knocks you out. Because kids don't care in high school. So you get knocked out because you knocked someone else out. You hit someone because you're going too fast. And then they have a bad habit. And now we have road rage. So put in questions as I go along. Camping in the left lane. We will never do this. You're going slow in the left lane. This is one of your questions. The left lane will start feeling like the fast lane. You're earned it. Even when you're no longer into passing anyone. Staying there forces faster drivers to weave around you, which is dangerous. And the weaving creates a kind of mess in lane changes. You're walking slow in the hallway. People are in a hurry. They've got to go around you to the left or right. They trip over you. They get mad. It's your fault. You were walking slow. There's a fight. You get pushed into a locker. Someone videos it. Do you see how things happen really quick? Same thing in the car. Do not camp out in the left lane. Please put in questions. You won't have this type of car. Braking late. Some of you will do that and we will rear end the car because you're beginning drivers. Don't brake late. Please put in questions. We're halfway done with this. This is a great example. Late braking often looks like confidence. It's not. Yet it usually means you weren't reading ahead. This is what beginning drivers do. They brake late. You're walking in a hallway. You're looking down. You walk into someone's shoes. They get mad. They're walking my shoes, bro. And all your friends get out their camera. What are you going to say? I'm sorry, dude. But you sound like a joke. And they turn around. Do you understand? You're dealing with people who are not stably balanced yet. Smoother, earlier braking keeps your car safer. It gives you time. You don't want to be rear-ended. A lot of you, let's go back to walking fast in the hallway. You're not looking ahead. You look down, you walk into someone. What should you do if you brake too early? You have to learn when to brake. I'm answering your question. I love the question. You'll learn when to brake. A lot of beginners brake too early, brake too late. So you will learn when to brake at the right time. Your instructor will show you. This is why a lot of you have ninth grade academies, because those sophomore, juniors, and seniors will tear you up because they have no patience for you. Ninth grade academies around the country are huge. We have a ninth grade special academy. So when you get to high school in 10th grade, you know how to act or you show out. And then the juniors quickly give you a haircut. The seniors say, you know what? We don't do this in the school. My teacher's awesome. Why are you trying to embarrass him on social media? And they take your phone and show it to the teacher. It was funny in 8th grade or 9th grade. So high school students are not your friends. They will tell you the truth really quick. Drivers on the road are not your friends. Some of them will be nice. Some of them will tailgate us. Some of them will cut us off. So slow down earlier. Accelerating toward the red light. You will not do this with me. Again, accelerating toward the red light. Some drivers speed up toward a light that is clearly red. I will call your parent. Then they brake hard. This is how we get rear-ended. Bad habits. Example, you're leaving late for school. You got a test in American history. You're going to speed through the stop sign. You didn't get caught. You're going to speed through the red light. You got caught. You got a ticket. You're late. You started to argue. The police officer has his body cam. You swung at him. They put you out on the ground. You look foolish. Your friends are videoing. Yeah, John got arrested. He swung at the officer. Man, I told him not to drink that Monster Energy drink. I don't know why he gets up late. He and I were playing Fortnite all night. So if you develop bad habits, it's going to hurt you later on in life.